stand in probably about 5 more.
That's pretty impressive. Why'd you stop then?
That's why it's explosive.
Time. Started a little later than I wanted to.
I think it'd be really funny now that we all think, not really very funny, but
Nope.
now that we're all really
add a
cool
link
about
to
how
this?
completely disruptive
Yeah,
it
right.
just exploded.
My phone's getting hot.
Covered in really hot marshmallows.
Is there an app to tell you how hot your phone is?
Or how hot the lava is. The best part of this movie is we can catch all the sarcasm directed at Kevin.
I was completely serious about that question. But it didn't get
Yeah, I'm
answered.
sure there's.
Oh.
Drew, how did you do the color banding?
Well,
Is there
It's really a thing of art.
Yeah, I am.
Thing of art, right?
This is the first video I've ever filmed on my iPhone.
There's nothing better.
Kevin's children
That's
growing up.
dedication.
Marshmallows coming out of a Whitman College.
Alright, so for the video.
This is going to totally go viral.
Wait, Kirsten, which volcano student can use this for their project? Which volcano is this most like right now?
Let's see, who's got Urta Ale?
Hello.
Alright. We need the seniors to recite their names for this video to live in posterity.
This
Okay.
one first.
Creator of the volcano,
Alright.
Andrew Trogstad Isaacson.
Excellent. Who's next?
There he is.
Next.
Social coordinator. Elise. Danger Auto.
You're setting some good precedents there.
Yeah.